Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the device and enabling the search tool. First, open the Google app and update it so features match these instructions. Then grant microphone and overlay permissions where required so voice and on-screen results work. Once done, long press the home screen to add a widget or enable the Google Assistant Quick Access. Make sure to select the correct widget size and placement now because changing later is slower and can disrupt your layout. Now configure the widget or overlay and set behavior preferences. Tap the widget to open configuration. Choose search bar for typed input or assistant for voice-first use. Shortcuts launch direct queries. Then open Google App Settings to enable voice activation and decide whether results show as ambient cards or full screen. If you want search over other apps, grant the overlay permission in System Settings. Once configured, test a quick query, finish by validating everything and addressing common problems. Run 3 tests. Type a search, speak a voice query, and trigger the overlay while another app is open to confirm visibility. If the widget doesn't appear, check overlay permission, battery optimization, and app-level display permissions. Toggle them off and on. If results are blank or crashes continue, restart the device, clear the Google App Cache, or reinstall the app. These actions solve most problems quickly and get your on-screen search working reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.